na rin nalawasaw. Ay, sika mo. Sika mo. Oo, dyan. Mag-ano ka dyan? Ayan, yun yung travel tax. Yan, kumanan mo. Alam na, ipati atay wallet. Atay, porta. Yan mo lang taglo. Bibigyan ko lang ito. Kung ito mo lang, atay, atay, passport, atay, travel. Atay, tipo. Ayaw na. Marap ka mo ta. Ito oras tayo dan. Sa oras alis to. 11:15. Hindi, resibo yung isa akin na yung resibo. Receipt. Nagbayaran ko na yun. Yan lang, 1620. Nandito sa phone ko. Doon na sa kabila yata na. Bravo. Ano ba yan, friend, ha? Friend, mabayag. Doon ka pa dyan, tapat yung pula. Hindi, wala yung resibo. Sikat po resibo. Daming tao. Super dami. Hindi mo tayo nito. Diyan. Wala. Ang sakit. Please present your boarding pass to the cabin crew for verification. Thank you.
And tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, flip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind, the nation card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Thank you for your attention.
Yo. Yan, oh. We're heading to Family Mart. No, ate!
Meron na doon sa
Pati sa aking tutang. Family?
Ah, lagi ka tanay ko rin man.
Tama kasi, alas pa. May madaling araw. Panagbangon ko lang.
Mm.
Din siya.
Bag, how do you call it? Bago? Bago? Bago.
Now, amay yung loaf bread nila. Gano'n eh. Na.
Bago.
Bagel. Wala dito yun. Yung paborito ko noodle.
Puso?
Kapit. Yung paborito ko kasi, brown light. Ay, ayun! Sorry!
Where? Yan ang kapeng masarap.
Oo, paborito ko pang mga to. Ito yan.
Kasi nga wala bayar mo mo.
Si ate, nabukas. Bring back the memory. The smell, the food,